Welcome to our channel. If you need to verify your Quora Ads account to start running advertising campaigns on the platform, follow these comprehensive steps for successful verification. Step 1. Log in to your Quora account. If you don't have an account yet, create one by clicking Sign Up and completing the registration process. Step 2. Navigate to the Quora Ads Manager by visiting ads.quora.com or clicking on the Advertise option in your Quora menu. Step 3. Click on Create Account or Get Started to set up your advertising account. Step 4. Provide your business information including your company name, country, currency, and time zone. Step 5. Enter your billing information including your business address and payment method. Quora accepts credit cards and other payment options for advertising. Step 6. Verify your email address if you haven't already. Quora will send a verification email to your registered address. Step 7. For business verification, you may need to provide additional documentation such as business registration certificates or tax identification numbers. Step 8. Set up your billing preferences and payment threshold in the account settings. Step 9. Review and accept the Quora advertising terms of service and policies. Step 10. Submit all required information and wait for Quora to review your advertising account. Once approved, you can create campaigns and start advertising. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.